Hey everyone, have you had a chance to check out our face coverings? We did so many great patterns in so many great colors. There is sure to be something for everyone. Let's start with our classic. I'll walk you through the patterns and then I'll show you how it fits. In our classic, we're gonna have a black floral, we're gonna have a gray floral, and then we're gonna have a taupe floral. So I love that these are basically like our neutrals. Then when we talk about our patterns, we have a little coastal, which has a seahorse and a turtle and a fish. We have an adorable bee buzzing around on our little honeycomb. And then we have, of course, oversized and bright polka dots. Then we're going to have our multicolor. Our multicolor is going to have our little paw, our adorable little pet one. Then we have our palm. And last but not least, we have our romance. So that's another set. And then our last set is going to be what we call our holiday. That's gonna have our patriotic, our red, white, and blue. It's gonna have our buffetti with our ghosts and our cobwebs and our bats. And then last but not least, we have our holiday, which is gonna have our characters playing in a string of lights. Real quick, there is a wire piece that fits around your nose. There are 2 elastic straps that go right around your ears. There are 2 beads that you can adjust and make them smaller or make them larger. And there's even a place for your chin. So again, go over to temp-tations.com and check out the patterns that we have available. And again, as I mentioned, there is sure to be something for everyone.